Alright, what's up you guys? I'm going to be showing you how to use the Fibonacci Retracement tool. I'm going to be practicing this one on Zoom. When the Zoom stops. Alright, well that's the all-time low right there. So you're going to draw it from that all the way up to the high. Well, not the all-time low, but you're going to draw it to the high once you create a high. So it's what's for it to go up. And this is for if you wanna, if you expect the stock to go up. So boom, there you go right there. Yeah, definitely not. Alright, so that's it right there. You get your tool. Start from the lowest point up to the highest point, and then you do it the reverse. If you expect it to go down, starting at the highest point to low. Another zoom. Now you wait for it to break one of these lines. Boom, that's it right there. Blue line, 78.60%. That's it right there. And now from here on, you should just keep going up. You know, Fibonacci, like most time you can trust it. Say it's like 75, 25. Boom. It doesn't go to the line again. It's gonna keep going up. Well, you could have sold it right there at the first launch, but yeah. You're going a little too fast for me to be counting. Alright, boom, you saw right there. You just like that, or you can have it keep it. But it get risky once you move. Yeah, that's where you would want to sell. Alright. Now the next one is gonna be on Tesla. This one we're gonna start from the lowest point to the highest point. You're gonna be trying to get it to go up this time. Right. Boom, there it goes. Start from the lowest point to the highest point. And then I do it a little late, but yeah, this out. Wait for it. Bounce off support. There we go, right there. And now from here on out, it's just gonna raise. So if I were you, I would have gotten like right once I seen the overbearing candle. See now it's like all over there. I would have got it as soon as I seen the overbearing candle. I mean, and then if you wanted to see a long-term one, you would draw from days, not days. Cause I'm on the 15 minutes, like you would look at the past month and then do the same thing. Like, you could do this for anything, but it's mainly a stock kind of thing. These are stuff that I'm looking at right now. My favorite stuff to get into. At least mostly. Some I'm just like looking at. I hope you enjoyed. And let me know if you want some more. Peace out.